Yo guys, so for this trick I would like the spectator to find the 4 aces. As a magician I'm not going to touch the deck, so it's as fair as possible. So let's imagine I'm now the spectator and I follow the instructions from the magician. So the magician tells me to cut in as even as possible 4 piles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then the magician tells me to take the first pile and take 3 cards and put them on the bottom. Then take another 3 cards and put 1 card on each pile. So I've done that, and now the magician tells me to do this with the second pile. So 3 cards on the bottom and 1, 2, 3. The magician tells me to repeat this with the third and the fourth pile. So 3 cards on the bottom and 1, 2, 3. And the last one, 3 cards on the bottom, 1, 2, 3. So now the magician tells me to do a snap above all 4 piles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the magician tells me to look at every top card. So I found all 4 aces. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys really enjoyed that trick. It's a absolute killer, and here's how to do it. So first grab yourself a deck of cards, and the only preparation you need is the 4 aces on top. So you place them on top, and now you're ready to go. So you tell the spectator that you're not going to do anything because you want it to be as fair as possible. So the spectator takes the deck and needs to make 4 even piles. So it doesn't need to be like 13, 13, 13, and 13, but just as even as possible. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, it's extremely good, and it's a self-working trick. So you can let the spectator do everything for you. So you tell them to take the first pile and take 3 cards and put them on the bottom. So you did it, or actually the spectator did it, and then you take 3 cards and place them on each pile, just like that. And you're gonna repeat this for every pile. So when you are at the 4th pile, I'll do it really fast for you. So when you're at the 4th pile, you now got 3 random cards, and after that the 4 aces are. So you have to place the 3 random cards on the bottom, or you tell the spectator to do that, and then you can just take 3 aces and put them on the rest of the piles. And the rest, there is 1 card left, that's another ace. So that's basically the trick. Nothing really required, just a normal deck where all the aces are. And you can do, after they did the 3 cards under the deck and 3 cards on the other piles part, you can say just snap above each pile and turn over each top card, and they will be extremely surprised, because normally a magician should do that, but now he did it himself. So I hope you really enjoy this trick and the tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe and not miss this video. See you later. Ciao.